Simplify. Answer 2 into same base one side 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4 divided by 9. We have to write it as 3 square into 4. We have to write it as 2 square and this square whole square. This is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Use this formula here. 2 to the power of 1 plus 5 is 6 into 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 square into 2. 2 2s are 4. This formula a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. 2 2s are 4. 2 to the power of 6 divides this 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4 divides 3 square. Now use this law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. This is equal to 2 to the power of 6 minus 4 into 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. 3 square 9. 9 4s are 36 is answer.